Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machine so it can perform reliably. First, remove all packaging from the water tank and any protective stickers. This prevents clogs. Then fill the tank with filtered water to the max line. This protects flavor and scale buildup. Once done, plug the unit in and flip the power switch to on. Make sure the ready indicator lights. You'll hear internal priming. That's normal as the pump fills internal lines. Now you load and configure brewing for consistent results. You should use 7 to 9 g of ground coffee per shot, or the correct pod. This is why dose matters for extraction. Insert and lock the portafilter or pod into the group head, and if your machine has grind or dose settings, adjust them now. Next, set cup size and temperature. To stabilize the system, purge a short shot into the drip tray so the water, temperature, and pressure you're ready to extract and finish the beverage. Press the brew button and time the pour. A good espresso extracts in about 25 to 30 seconds. This indicates correct grind and dose. Steam milk with the wand, purging before you begin. Use a jug and aim for about 60-65 degrees C to get microfoam. After brewing, clean the group head and empty the drip tray. If extraction is weak or no water flows, check the tank, ensure the unit is hot, and listen for the pump. These are the primary troubleshooting checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.